Join me as I dive into the world of high-profile arrests and see if I can uncover how they're reshaping the legal industry for good. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. The legal industry is on the cusp of a revolution, and it's all thanks to the recent high-profile arrests that are making headlines. With the justice reform movement gaining momentum, public opinion is shifting, and the law and order landscape is undergoing a significant transformation. In this video, we'll delve into the arrest data and trends, exploring how these high-profile cases are driving legal changes and shaping the future of the criminal justice system. From the court system to law enforcement, we'll analyze the impact of these arrests on the legal industry as a whole. Join us as we examine the intersection of media coverage, arrest statistics, and the justice system, and discover how these high-profile arrests are changing the legal industry forever. That high-profile arrests have always been a staple of headline news, captivating the public's attention and fascination. But beyond the glamour and intrigue, these arrests have a profound impact on the legal industry, forcing a re-examination of traditional practices and sparking widespread debate. The legal profession is built on a foundation of trust, respect, and integrity, but high-profile arrests can undermine these core values, exposing flaws in the system and eroding public confidence. They pose significant challenges to traditional legal practices, forcing lawyers to navigate complex, high-stakes cases that are often shrouded in controversy and media scrutiny. The intense public spotlight can also lead to emotional and sensationalized reporting, further muddying the waters and making it difficult for lawyers to do their jobs effectively. As a result, high-profile arrests are shifting public perception of the legal system, raising important questions about accountability, fairness, and equality before the law. They highlight the need for greater transparency and reform, and underscore the importance of ensuring that justice is served, not just for the rich and powerful, but for all individuals, regardless of their social status or background. The convergence of law, media, and public opinion creates a perfect storm of controversy and debate, and high-profile arrests are often at the epicenter of this maelstrom. As lawyers and lawmakers grapple with the fallout, they must also confront the reality that these cases are increasingly being played out in the court of public opinion, with social media and traditional media outlets amplifying every development and twist. The Harvey Weinstein case is a prime example of the legal ramifications of high-profile arrests. The mogul's downfall marked a watershed moment in the #MeToo movement, exposing a culture of toxic masculinity and sexual harassment that had long been enabled and concealed. The subsequent legal battles, which saw Weinstein convicted of sexual assault, highlighted the need for greater accountability and stricter laws to protect victims of abuse. The case also sparked a wider conversation about consent, power dynamics, and the need for greater diversity and inclusivity in the entertainment industry. The arrest and trial of former NFL player and convicted murderer Aaron Hernandez is another high-profile case that has had far-reaching legal implications. Hernandez's story raised important questions about the NFL's handling of player conduct and the league's responses to allegations of violence and misconduct. It also highlighted the need for greater mental health support and resources for athletes struggling with traumatic brain injuries and behavioral issues. The college admissions scandal, which saw a slew of wealthy parents and celebrities caught up in a massive cheating scheme, has also had significant legal implications. The case has sparked a wider conversation about privilege, inequality, and the broken education system, with many calling for greater accountability and transparency in the college admissions process. In the UK, the arrests of suspects in the phone hacking scandal, including former News of the World editor Rebecca Brooks, highlighted the need for greater media accountability and regulation. The subsequent Leveson inquiry led to significant reforms and changes to the way the media operates, with a renewed focus on ethical journalism and greater protection for victims of press intrusion. The arrest of WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange has raised important questions about press freedom, whistleblower protections, and the limits of government power. Assange's case has sparked a global debate about the role of journalists in holding those in power accountable. and the need for greater transparency and accountability in government. One pivotal moment that dramatically changed the legal landscape was the acquittal of O.J. Simpson in 1995. The verdict sparked widespread outrage and disbelief, with many seeing it as a miscarriage of justice. The case led to significant reforms in the legal system, including changes to the way juries are selected and instructed, and a greater focus on forensic evidence and DNA analysis. That high-profile arrests are continuing to change the legal industry in profound ways, forcing a re-examination of traditional practices and sparking widespread debate. As we move forward, it's clear that these cases will remain a crucial part of the legal landscape, shaping our understanding of justice, accountability, and the role of the media in the legal process. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on high-profile arrests and their impact on the legal industry in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other content for more insights and analysis on the legal world.